Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a little about customizing your SketchUp. So what's that customization? Actually not customizing our interface. You can see here there's a default right here. In the last video I told you about this, how it if it's not there, how we can actually get back. And sometimes it happens by accident that be doing something and just things get off, like here default tray is not there, and here you can see there isn't anything. And sometimes you can see on other people SketchUp that there is a window here. So if you want to customize all those things, how do you get that thing from the origin, from the default? Nothing is there, so how can you start that thing? So you can see here, I'm having an option called view, and there is an option called toolbar. So I'm going to go for toolbar, and you can see there are different kind of tools. These are available for us, and a lot of different options which are there. By default, there are certain tools which can be there in the SketchUp, but it's on your side which one you want and which one you don't. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking one of it, and then I'm clicking on close, and you can see here there is a views option available. It shows you the isometric, top view, front, and so on. What I'm going to do is just click and drag this thing to adjust that thing somewhere here. You might be used to with certain tools at certain locations. You can actually adjust that thing. You can see here certain dots available by clicking and moving it here and there. However, usually it is recommended to have certain toolbars always available. Um, right now what I'm doing is last time what I did was I went to view and toolbars, but once you having at least one of it, you can actually right click it, and then you can see all that toolbars available here as well. So usually what I recommend you to put the toolbars here are getting started, one of it, with very important. It used to draw, paint, measure, and many different options which are available in this. So getting started is a very important toolbar. And what else? We have actually this one, 3D toolbars set. Yeah, styles is also very important, one of the most used. And you can see here, by using styles you can make the things kind of like this, 3D. So whatever, getting back to my, yeah, here you can see there is something called large tool set, and this is also very important. It's very much recommended. You can actually have this thing as well. A lot of things which we have here, you can actually use it, and you can actually remove this thing if you don't want this thing as well. And then what in my projects I used to do is I use this thing, sections. I usually cut the things and see what exactly is happening inside. So this is again very much useful for me. Styles, and yeah, views is done. Yeah, almost all the things are done. Sometimes for things to be looking good, I use this one as well, shadows. Okay, so this one's also very much important sometimes for me, for making the things look very good. If I'm just turning the shadows on, you can see how things are going to be. So that's pretty much. And now let's make this thing again on. As I told you in the last video, window, default tray, and show tray. And you can see here we have that thing. So in this default tray, if at all you want something, if you don't want something, you can actually go for window and then manage trays, and then you can see here in this default tray what are the things you want, what are the things you don't want. You can tick the thing, and you can just untick that thing in order to hide or show that. For example, let us say I don't need this instructor, so I'm just unticking this, and you can see the instructor is gone from here. And then close, and you have entered information, materials, and so on. So that's pretty much about this video. Hope you guys like this thing. Comment and say what you don't you know like in it, or you want something what I didn't show you. That's done. And if at all you want to ask any question, you can put that thing in the comment box. Yeah, until that, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.